Good morning, class. This is Nicholas Humphrey, and I am doing my presentation on how to design a PowerPoint. Well, here is the beginning. We'll show you. I don't have a title on this one, but this is going to show you if this is what it looks like when you have a full screen of one. And these on the sides is going to show you the different looks of it. Some computers is going to be on the left-hand side, some is going to be on the right-hand side. So hopefully this will be something that you can go and play with and design with, and you can see like sometimes you can use the background and other photos, but I'm going to show you a little bit more clearly on what you can do with these. Now this slide right here, this is going here to make it really wild and exciting, because a lot of PowerPoint presentations actually can feel like a little slow, a little boring, and sometimes you want to have it like a little bit different, kind of make it your own. So this right here is kind of like a background look to it. This is kind of more classic looking. You know, it still looks good. You know, the black on top and the presentation and contact information. Like you could be whatever title that you want to, and your contact information could be your name, email address, and whatnot. So that's how it's looking different. This right here, you can actually upload online photos. So if you don't like the actual templates that's already inside of PowerPoint, something you just want to go and just find like a cool online photo, and then you can enjoy looking like this, you know, make it look a little bit different. Now here's one of my favorite photos that I have is another one. This one's my personal photos, and this one's going to be me right here. And this is going to be our old mayor, Alan Autry. He used to be a football player, if anyone remember. He played in the NFL. Then also, if anybody remembers the movie or the TV show, The Any Heat of the Night, he was Bubba. So that was pretty cool. Usually on Sundays, me and him, we kind of go to the gym and we kind of talk politics quite a bit. So, but this is just another look of what you can have for like a PowerPoint design or template or whatever that you want to make it your own. This one right here, this is to show like how different they can look, you know, as opposed to like this one I had previously in the photo with me and our previous mayor. And then so it can look like if you're going to have something that's going to be real creative or real different, this would be like one of the better ones, or like I have the title, exciting. And right here is actually just the conclusion of it. You know, I got the little window saying, you know, the sky hasn't given me goodbye, and then the classic PowerPoint presentations. But I hope I did a good job. I'm not sure, but I'm just doing my best. Other than that, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the presentation.